Yesterday, we talked about why you should never skip suhoor. Today, I'm going to give you 3 tips on what to eat for your perfect pre-dawn meal. You want to be eating complex carbohydrates instead of simple white carbs. Complex carbohydrates are digested slowly during the day to keep you full, so oatmeal instead of sugary processed cereal. Try and avoid sugar completely at suhoor because it won't give you long-lasting energy. And eat fiber. Fiber helps keep you feeling full longer and prevents hunger pangs early in the day. So fruits and veg are full of fiber like apples, dates, spinach. Try a fibrous green smoothie for an extra energy boost. And high protein to rebuild your muscles. So yogurt, chickpeas, full beans, peanut butter, lean meat like chicken, cottage cheese, and eggs. These are all fantastic suhoor meals. Keep it simple. If you have a habit of missing suhoor, a jar of overnight oats or even a banana or jar of peanut butter by your bed makes it super easy to get some food in. No excuses. Tune in tomorrow for my next Ramadan Reset quick tip, and if you want my full Ramadan fasting meal plan, click right over here to check out my popular Ramadan Reset guidebook. You get 30 days of delicious suhoor and iftar recipes, digestive soups, energizing smoothies, and so much more. Click here to watch another 1-minute healthy fasting tip. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss my next Ramadan video. And if you're enjoying this Ramadan video series, why not share with a friend? Stay blessed and stay fit. Salam.